Hello viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be exploring the miraculous benefits of rosemary tea. Rosemary tea, derived from the fragrant leaves of the Rosmarinus officinalis plant, offers a delightful infusion with a myriad of health benefits. From antioxidant properties to cognitive enhancement, let's explore the extensive advantages that come with sipping on this aromatic herbal tea. Number 1. Antioxidant richness. Rosemary tea is a treasure trove of antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These compounds play a pivotal role in neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall cellular health. Number 2. Digestive health. Known for its traditional use as a digestive aid, rosemary tea can help alleviate indigestion and bloating. It may stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and bile, supporting the digestive process. Number 3. Cognitive boost. Rosemary has long been associated with memory enhancement. Compounds in rosemary, such as 1,8-cineal, may improve cognitive performance and focus. Inhaling the aroma alone has been linked to improved memory retention. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rich in anti-inflammatory compounds like rosmarinic acid, rosemary tea may help manage inflammation in the body. This makes it potentially beneficial for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Number 5. Immune support. The vitamins and minerals in rosemary, including vitamin C, contribute to a robust immune system. Regular consumption of rosemary tea can fortify your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Number 6. Stress reduction. The aroma of rosemary has been linked to stress reduction and relaxation. Sipping on rosemary tea can offer a calming effect, making it an excellent choice during stressful periods. Number 7. Respiratory health. Rosemary tea may contribute to respiratory health. Inhaling the steam from the tea may help soothe the respiratory tract, making it beneficial for conditions like colds, allergies, or asthma. Number 8. Anti-aging effects. Antioxidants in rosemary tea combat free radicals that contribute to skin aging. Regular consumption may contribute to healthier skin, potentially reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a youthful complexion. Number 9. Hair and scalp health. Rosemary is renowned for its potential benefits for hair health. Using rosemary tea as a hair rinse can promote shine, reduce dandruff, and some believe it may even stimulate hair growth. Number 10. Blood circulation. Compounds in rosemary may have vasodilatory effects, improving blood circulation. Enhanced blood flow is vital for overall cardiovascular health, promoting the efficient transport of nutrients and oxygen throughout the body. Number 11. Anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that rosemary may have anti-cancer properties. Certain compounds, including rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, have shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Number 12. Antimicrobial effects. Rosemary has demonstrated antimicrobial effects against various bacteria and fungi. Regular consumption of rosemary tea may contribute to overall oral health by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth. Number 13. Balancing blood sugar. Some studies suggest that rosemary may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes. However, more research is needed to establish this connection definitively. Number 14. Anti-anxiety properties. The aroma of rosemary has been linked to reduced anxiety levels. Inhaling the scent or enjoying rosemary tea may have calming effects, potentially aiding in anxiety management. Number 15. Joint and muscle support. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties extend to potential benefits for joint and muscle health. Regular consumption may contribute to alleviating discomfort associated with conditions like arthritis. While rosemary tea is generally safe for most people, it's essential to be mindful of potential allergic reactions, especially for individuals allergic to plants in the Lamiaceae family. It is best to take the advice of a healthcare professional before trying natural remedies. Incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine offers a delicious way to enjoy its unique flavor while potentially benefiting from its diverse medicinal properties. From antioxidant support to digestive aid and stress reduction, this herbal infusion provides a holistic approach to wellness. As with any herbal remedy, it's advisable to enjoy it in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. So, brew yourself a cup of rosemary tea, inhale the soothing aroma, and let its healthful magic unfold. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share the video. See you next time.